with Obadiah's, and today I am here to give you guys an overview on a couple of changes made to the Heco / Obadiah Model 2000 wood cook stove. So again, this model cook stove is manufactured by the Amish in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, which is actually where I'm at right now. So I do have other videos for you guys that go into much more technical overview. We have a first burn. I believe we have some cooking and baking videos as well. So make sure that you check those videos out. Now this particular video is designed just to give you guys some updates on what has changed on the stove since the original inception of the stove and since we introduced it to the general public back in 2014. So this is again the Model 2000. Now at this time, the Model 2000 is not a UL listed stove, okay? So if you have homeowner's insurance on the property or structure where this will be installed, you do need to check with your insurance company to get that cleared prior. Now at this point, there are no plans of getting the stoves UL listed, or I should say not the stoves, this particular model. The Model 2000, there's no plans to get it UL listed at this point in time. One of the most major changes that I would say is going to be adding heat shield protection underneath the stove on the floor of the oven. So previously there was a heat shield below. We had people coming in and trying to pick up the stove to move it, which was actually crushing the heat shield. So we had to take that away, but without any type of protection, the floor was getting just too hot under here. So underneath the oven, they did add 2 different layers of sheet metal with a 1/2 inch thick insulation blanket between the 2 layers of sheet metal. So that effectively allowed us to reduce the required hearth protection on the stove. Now some other changes made to the Model 2000. Previously the backsplash did not have this flame logo on it, so that is new. And then the other major change on the Model 2000 is going to be that it now does come standard with the automatic thermostatic draft control. So previously that was going to be an add-on option. So at this point, all the Heco cookstoves do come standard with the automatic thermostat draft control. Now another thing I should point out for you guys is the Model 2000 is going to be a wood-only stove, so it's not rated to burn coal like the other products are. So this is going to be inside the firebox on the Model 2000. One of the changes that was actually made to the 2000 model is going to be the location of the water coil. So if you are looking right now, you can see these 2 holes here in the rear. That is where your water coil will mount. So you can see that is how the stove comes. It does come with plugs that can be knocked out at the time of the installation, because it's very, very important that you do not install that water coil until you're actually ready to hook the system up to water. So previously that water coil location was located in the center of the stove, and it has now been moved to the left-hand side of the firebox when facing the front. So this gives you a good view of inside the firebox. You do have this bottom grate and partially lined fire brick. So again, 2000 model is going to be a wood-only stove. It does not have the coal burning option. So I hope that you guys find this video helpful. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.